Hello and welcome to my BTS Love Yourself albums inspired nail art. First we'll be starting off with the pinky, and this is Bangtan's new logo that you see on a lot of sweatshirts. So you want to start out by drawing two lines very close together in the middle of the nail, and then you want to turn them into sideways trapezoids. As you can see at first, I made the line a bit too far away, so I thickened it up a lot. It won't matter because we're about to fill it in anyway. You want each trapezoid to be a little asymmetrical. Make sure the part that's closer to the top of your nail is longer and higher. Now you're just going to fill the trapezoids in with white nail polish, not acrylic paint. So the next finger, the ring finger, is inspired by the Love Yourself Her album, which has this gradient. I put a link in the description of this helpful guide, which was posted by Lizeth on DeviantArt. So I linked her DeviantArt in the description. Just like every other gradient, you're going to layer each color starting from blue on the makeup sponge. Now I had almost every color in nail polish, which is of course has a link in the description, but for the orangey on the bottom, I had to use an acrylic paint called Portrait Pink. So you want to dab the sponge gently on the nail, and you could repeat this process of painting it on the sponge and then dabbing it over and over again until you think you achieve the gradient. Now I had a feeling that the sponge was just a little too small for the fake nail I used, so I just cleaned it up with the actual brush that came with the polish. So our third finger, the middle finger, is inspired by this weird symbol on the front of the Love Yourself Cheer album. So there's nothing I can really tell you to help you draw this. It's two loops, I guess. I didn't even draw the full design. So you're just gonna have to use the pattern in order to draw this. Our next finger, the index finger, is the L in Love Yourself. Instead of trying to draw two tiny white lines, because as you can see, my nail polish is really bad and I kind of can't draw a straight line very well, I instead decided to draw a really thick giant L in white polish and then fill that in with black acrylic paint. My final failure, and probably the worst nail yet, is the thumb, which is the symbol on the Love Yourself Tear album. Again, there's nothing I can really tell you to help you draw this. You'll just have to look at the pattern and try and follow it as best as you can. So what do you think? Did I nail it or did I fail it? Please like and subscribe. The music is in the description, and thank you so much for watching.